chugging our way slowly through Chod-in-Sivan in order to get to the other side, to the village of Bijni. Because in Bijni there's a fortress and there's a church. Old ones, lots of those in Armenia, but seeing them in winter is always something very special. So on this very cold, snowy, blizzardy day, we're going to the village of Bijni. Bijni moture, Bijni.
Bijni, suiz că tam gânăme cugi.
Oui.
Çever. Acho gânăme.
Şatla, şaşına duyuyor.
Acho. Zene, acho.
Oh, he's chasing a dog. He's chasing a dog. That's so funny. Which way is it to Bijni? Bijni, this way. What is this? One thing. Джанапар Bijni мод. Это направо, налево? Направо. Шачно кажется. Шнорхава нотари. Merci, John. Merci. Nothing better than the maps on the ground. Okay, going up here, and wow, what a beautiful little village this is.
Right side as well, you see the cafe.
Oh, this is incredible. That's beautiful. Hello. That's beautiful. That would be a really cool little knighthood, you know. What do you do in Arsnakan in the winter? What's to do here in this village? And what is this building? What is this?
This is տեղական բնական քարերից.
That's so beautiful. You have a very nice stick. I'm going to need one of these.
Շպրտի մախվեսի բոյով մեկ բրնեց, ընգավ ախվեսը, գնաչի որ բեկալ եմ հրցակ վեբրես, ինք հրցակ վեբրես, նույն այս պետով դնքին տալում պես մնաստեղում, այդ մորթին հանեցի, մշագեցի երեխուն գլխար կարեցի.
How many people live here?
Այստեղ դաչաներ այսի,
Էսի դաչաներ, էսի գյուղ չի,
էսի դաչաներն է.
Էսի
Ah, it's a holiday place. It's a dacha.
Գյուղն անցել եք եկամ ու դուք որ անցակեսա։ Էսան դաչաներն է մինչև գնամ մի հատ էս պավարոզը չէ, մյուս պավարոզը չէ։
Նոր բժնին։
Նոր բժնին աթ։
Շատ սիրուն է, շատ։
Բնությունը շատ ջերմ։
Նասենի երգիրից է։
հա։ Գիտեք։
Լավ նասեն, հա։
Պոխոժն է, չէ՞։
Հա։
Նիմնոշ, Чуть-чуть.
And here we are. We're in the village of Bizhny, and we're still searching for the fortress in Bizhny. We've asked 3 or 4 people along the road, and we've been told that it's impossible to drive up there and that it's difficult to walk up there. But we're going to try anyway. Okay. So we're halfway up the hill, but she's telling us that we have to go around the end of the mountain apparently, and then up again. And so we still have a ways to go. But these people live in this every day, all day. Have to struggle with this, and I'm curious. This is village life. This is a real village life with the cold and the difficulty. I think we found it. We're almost at the top, and I see some of the walls of the fortress up on the crest up there. Great. Okay, let's do this. We finally made it to the top of the hill. And behind me you see the Bizhny fortress, built by the Pochlavunis. Now, if we swing around the other side, a century later, that was built in the 9th and 10th century. And this behind me, the Blessed Virgin Mary Church, was built in the 11th centuries, also by the Pochlavunis, during the Bagratuni period. Now, legend has it that there are 3 tunnels from under that church leading to the neighboring villages on both sides. So if the Mongols from the east or the Turks from the west were to attack, that they would have a place to escape. Another one of those fascinating stories about an Armenian village that is even more beautiful, I suspect, in winter than it is in summer. So that was Bizhny. What a great little village. Covered in snow, the first time I've ever been there. I didn't know it existed. It's a holiday village for both summer and winter recreation. And what a quaint place. I mean, and the church, gorgeous in the snow. The view over the village from the fortress. What an amazing day it's been. And slipping and sliding all over the place, but still it was worth it. We got a great story about a great little Armenian village.